Like I'm excited about, the opportunity on some of these tickers that are coming through with, a better lens to look at them through, and to capture and unlock that value of that fundamental work. Because, in the back pocket, what do I have? I have quads at quad factor. I've got signal strength, and sort of timing absolutely matters more and more. The last thing is HIMS. It's funny. It's like it was easy, that it was hard, and it was easy and it was hard. I put it on the long side on a position monitor. I've been trying to get this invite written. And at each time that I looked at this thing, I was like, do I really want to be long this? Do I want to be shorted? And so really waffling. Like I had a super full of conviction when I wrote it the first time. Sort of did a little bit more work. I was like, God, this thing is just so dodgy, and then signal strength breaks and the whole thing. And anyway, here's the deal. I've got a better mousetrap because I've got deep fundamentals and I've got the quad factor score, which backs into the macro research process plus signal strength, right? So my call is going to be into 2Q. They are going to beat numbers, right? There's a lot of framework around this thing. Good and bad, they're going to beat it for the wrong reason, basically. So the question is, when you have a stock that has 20, here's the deal: 25% short interest, close to $1 billion in cash, no catalyst, they're going to beat numbers. They have a fan base, right? Like there's a lot of things to like about this thing, and I can make up or at least corroborate a fundamental story that looks pretty good, right? And which is, there is an access point for a lot of people. It's really difficult to get. It's really difficult to get access to a doctor. They're sort of opening a digital door to digital natives, and there's a whole host of therapeutic areas beyond GLP-1, beyond this Ozempic compounding thing, which will continue. And they say their underlying business is growing 30%. So I think my data is better than your data if you're talking to the shorts. And over the course of the next 3 weeks, I'm going to pay attention more to the quad factor score and the quads and signal strength than not, right? So my catalyst next is 2Q. They beat, very likely turning short right after that, right? Like I'm going to see what happens, see what the data says, see what our tracking data looks like, and then roll into it. We're going to do that on Tuesday at 2. Bottom line here is, like, I don't have to agree with how they're executing against this policy on compounding. It's just a ticker. It's just fundamental. It's just fundamental research. And bottom line, this is swung from 25 to 60 twice. I think it's got a couple more turns of the wheel, which I'm pretty sure, and here's the bet, I'm pretty sure with our model and our like what I'm backing into with the Hedgeye framework, I think I'm going to be able to trade that really well, both sides, using a robust fundamental net baseline, but overlaid with quad, overlaid with signal strength, overlaid, with just a sensitivity to sort of the outside world, and not, again, like there's a 25% short interest plus this very public fan base. They're both getting it wrong, right? In my view, like I think that high of a short interest is a mistake here, given what the setup is.
Thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.